Well, my name is Mike Ramothwala, also known as Trigger Mike, and I'm a fourth-year medical student, and I'm running under the proud banner of SASCO. I'm studying for second term because of continuity, because I've started a few programs that I'm really passionate about and want to see into completion, as I believe they will solve most of the problems that we have as students. Mainly I'm speaking about the June supplementary exam that we started looking into, because we believe that why we have one of the highest exclusion rates in South Africa is because we don't have the June supplementary exam, in that it's unrealistic to ask students to do well in January for a semester course. Also, for the implementation of the pay-per-mill system that we researched well in University of Pretoria, and the main benchmarking process will be happening next year, and I researched well in it and I want to be sitting on that committee. Also for implementing the new DC that we fought to come back in a refined way. I want to be part of those discussions. And the other main reason is that I secured funding for an interactive media, which I hope will help to reduce the number of apathy, basically the apathy in the university, because SLC will be in direct communication with students via TVs all over campus, and they can also tell us what they want via those screens and so on. One thing that we feel as a SLC of 2011 was that we were not in touch with our student body, in that we never had any major mass student meetings where students told us exactly what they want from us, and that platform was never created, but you found other students actually having to create that platform for us. There's a high student dropout rate because of lack of support, mainly from the academic staff, and also the interventions that are there to prevent high student failing rates are not implemented, or if they're implemented, they're not well directed. Basically what I'm trying to say is back to my point of having June supplementary exam, because if someone qualifies for supplementary exam in first semester, they should write it while the material is still fresh. And it is also a case that students should be given the opportunity to have supplementaries, whereas we find in other faculties like engineering where there's no supplementary exam, but in medicine there is. So there's such discrepancy, and there's not support system there to make sure that students don't fail.